Hey friends, if you wish to disable or permanently stop the background intelligence transfer service, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. It's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Okay. And then scroll down to the background intelligence transfer service. This is the one. Right click on it, select properties, change it to disabled, and then it is already stopped, or else click on stop, click on apply, and then on OK. But I want you to know this one thing very clearly. You can disable it, you cannot permanently stop it. So I will cancel it. You can only disable it for this session. When you restart the computer, this service will restart itself. And other than this, even if you do not restart your computer for a few weeks, it will automatically restart the service to push further updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.